Hi guys, I'm your friend Robin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I've made today's video on breakout trading, which is one of the most powerful, most rewarding, most important trading techniques. Most of the traders, most of the investors, they resort to this trading technique because of its powerfulness. But one thing which comes to my mind, if breakout trading is so powerful, then why don't all the traders they resort to this technique only? I'll tell you why. Because this is very fast. The moment you come to know about this, your opportunity is already being lost. 70-80% of the journey, normally a share covers 2%, 3%, or some high volatile stocks they cover 4-5% in a day. And the moment you are able to see the breakouts, they've already completed 60-70% of the journey. And the remaining 20-30%, if you get to enter, if you get a chance to enter, then the risk reward ratio becomes very much unfavorable. This is the reason why most of the people, or many people, they avoid it despite its being very aggressive, very rewarding. People are not able to get this on time. Imagine if you get the chance to know the breakouts or the area where the breakout is about to happen. If you come to know this beforehand, how rewarding this can be. So in today's video, I have tried to show you, I've tried where the breakouts are getting formed and where you can get the chance to enter the breakouts before they actually have completed their 70-80% of the journey. So without wasting much time here, I just take you to the live trading where I have shown this with example of live trades, live 4 trades. Normally I take 4 trades in a day, because if I take more than 4 trades, this goes against my principle. I do not take more than 4 trades, in fact. Anyways, I just show you in today's video the breakout trading, the powerfulness of breakout trading. So guys, the first trade-off is of Tata Motors, where I've entered at 324 for the target of 328. See the curve. The initial opening shows the strength and which has formed a flag, which is the area where the share is consolidating. See, the stock is about to take the breakout. See, the stock has already touched 328. Now the second trade is of Hindalco. I've entered at 272 rupees for the target of 276. This is again a flag like curve. Initial opening is of strength. Now the share consolidating at around the same place where I am telling you it would break out, it would reach its target of 276. Yeah, the share has met its target. Now Hindustan Unilever is my third pick. See, today 8 February 2021, the market is 200 points up. Still, this HUL, which is showing the bearish sign, this would meet its target of 2,248. I entered at 2,266 for the target of 2,248. Again, the same curve breakout will be happening soon. The share is consolidating at its support. It will break its support very soon. See, it has already broken its support and has reached to the target. It has met the target. Now the fourth pick is of Axis Bank. Axis Bank I have entered at around 742 for the target of 747. Again the same curve. I normally trade on these curves only, wherein the initial candle shows the strength, and then it forms a flag like pattern. Axis Bank reaching to its target of 747. Yes, the target has already been happened. So I just wanted to show you the strength of the breakouts in today's video. I can cover more videos on. Hi guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the bell icon so that you receive my next video on intraday live trading part 2, which I'll be posting very soon. Thank you.